Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear search history on YouTube. It's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you can clear your search history by individually just hold that specific search and tap on remove. And in this way, you guys can remove one by one the specific search history. But if you want all of the search history to be cleared, then it's pretty simple. You just have to tap on the below right corner of your profile icon. After tapping on it, now you have to tap on settings on top right corner. Now after tapping on it, now you have to tap on manage all history. Now you have to select the Google account of which you want to get search history. Now after tapping on it, now you have to just tap on saving your YouTube history. Now here what you have to do is you just have to check the mark of the second one and just uncheck the first mark. So what it can do is it will just clear your search history on YouTube, not your watch history. So after tapping on it, now you just have to manage your history and you have to just tap on delete. And you can delete by tapping on delete today, and you can delete by choosing custom range, or you can delete all the time by tapping on it. You can clear all your search history on YouTube. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.